Hey y'all, and today we're going to be fixing this sticky slime. So, all you need, it just fell out my container. No, it's falling. Alright, oh my god, dying. Oh my god, so much of it is falling. Gonna need to wash my hands. Bro, so much of it is falling. Bro, hold on. I need to fix all this. No, please don't go on that. I really don't want to get on anything. Alright. Oh god. Alright, but look, my hands are messy, so we're just gonna get a little bit of perfume. Alright. Alright, you're done. Just add a little bit. Well, hold on. I'm going to be right back. I need to wash my hands.
He did 12 years? Is he fucking crazy?
Hey, I'm back. So, you just have, and after you're done adding a little bit of your perfume, you're gonna go ahead and mix. And make sure you mix it very good until it gets very stiff, like any other slime would be. But we're gonna have to clean my wall. So, yeah, that's why. Cleaning is always required, even though you don't want to, which I hate cleaning my room. Alright, we'll wipe it off now. We'll wipe it off later. Alright, just keep mixing until it gets very nice and stiff. Not very stiff, because then you'll not be able to play with it. But just keep mixing until it gets like this. And if it looks like this at the end, you made a very textury slime. But you're gonna need to keep mixing until it gets extremely good and firm. And yeah. Yeah. my god. It's so textury. Alright. But guys, I'm going to end this video right here. And just now, I'm going to make more slime videos with this slime. So, bye. See you later.